Hello, Timmy Golly. Hello, Blig. Are you okay, Blig? Yes, I am. How old am I? 6. And how old is that girl? 4. Is anyone here? Oh no, you're going down. There's no one left. I don't care. I love to have some of your talent. Hey, are you okay at the cafe? Oh yes, I am. Can you check out what I'm doing? Why don't you just lay down on the couch and watch some TV? I'm very mad. Well, I'm mad too. Stop telling me that you're mad. You just said that I'm mad at you, right? That's right. Get over here or I'm breaking this door down. This is so bad. You got into the law. I didn't break the law, did I, right? Oh no. This is so bad. We need technology. I'm very mad at you. Nothing about water.